Hey, what's up, y'all? Jason Jones here. So, this is how you create your own personal action figure. So, this is mine here. This is the end result where you'll be able to customize this area, the photo, and the elements inside of the packaging. So, let's get into it. All you need to do is first go to ChatGPT, right? Go to ChatGPT and you're going to upload a picture of yourself. This is the picture I uploaded of me. And here is the prompt that I used. I don't remember where I got this from. I wish I could credit the person, but it's been going around the internet so much that I don't know who knows what who the creator was. But I will put this in the notes section. So all you have to do is copy and paste it into your chat GPT, upload your picture, and bam, you'll have your own action figure. Here are the parts that you're going to customize. So it's going to go through, create a picture of a 3D action figure, blah, 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 blah. Then you get here and you're going to put in what you want up at the very top. I put my name, and then underneath that, where it says then below it, put that. I put graphic designer, and then it says you can add some other elements, some supporting work items next to your figure, and then you can customize that. I put a laptop, a sketchbook, and a computer mouse, but you can put whatever you want. And then that's pretty much it. You can, the rest of it, I just left standard, and then you let it run. That's the prompt. And then bam, that's it. That is how you create your own super cool, super fun, and super easy action figure.